Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 3LT in crystal red tint coat metallic. Beautiful color, gorgeous color outside, gorgeous color inside. It is fabulous. I've got the roof off to show you that the roof goes in the trunk here, fits in those little compartments right there, clips into those ones there. This one's got the cargo net and all your little accessories from GM. So you see that locks into place. So you see it over here, locks right into place so that it doesn't move around. Nice little handle here to close the lid, and there you go. So beautiful car from the back, just stunning. This one's got the quattro-port exhaust with the NPP performance exhaust, part of the Z51 package. So Z51 also gives you different wheels and tires as well as bigger brakes. This one's got the red painted calipers. Here's the stunning news. This one's got brown leather suede interior, which was really a rare option to get. So this one's got the upgraded seats with that gorgeous suede inserts, and suede all the way around the doors, as you can see there on the door panels, and then suede on the dash. Gorgeous vehicle. In here are all of the books for all your reading to look over, 2 sets of keys, and have a look in the door frames. Just gorgeous. Wow, beautiful car. So let's climb out and show you the rest here. Beauty. On the front wheel, no curb rash, black painted wheels, painted calipers, painted rotors, great tires, Michelin Pilot Super Sports. Under the hood, fabulous engine, 460 horsepower with NPP performance exhaust. Z51 has the dry sump oil. No, yes, does. Dry sump oil, forgive me, yeah, just wanted to double check. And have a look at the hood mat, in great condition, just a beauty. Everywhere you look, this is a gorgeous car. So up at the front here, there's 3M on the front bumper. So that's got good protection for you. There's no issues there, no issues there. Over here on the front wheel, it's got, again, those nice black painted rims, painted rotors, painted calipers. Brakes are looking awesome. Tires are awesome as well. So super machine, and ditto on the rear. Doesn't that look fabulous? So on the driver's door, you've got the driver memory package, power windows, power locks. Have a look there, Bose sound system, gorgeous. We've also got heads-up display right there. We've got multifunctional power seats both sides so that you've got lumbar and side bolster supports. Gorgeous seats in fabulous condition. Let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Fabulous. Love that exhaust, NPP, just awesome. So we've currently got it on E. Let's turn it so we can get a little more sound coming out of that exhaust. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So 14,331 kilometers only. And you've got factory navigation. It's just loading the maps now. The little Stingray sign is there. Some of them are missing those. This is your mode select here and your power brake. It's got the 8-speed automatic transmission, which is apparently the fastest one. You've got this open door so that you can put your phone in and plug it in the USB in the back there, and then it's out of your way. You won't get a ticket with it. And again, we've got the map loading up right there. Nice suede interior. Love it. Just awesome. So over here we've got the controls for our, let me close this so that it will show me up there, so that I can change our trip odometer. We can change this to reset all of that. We can change this over here. We can go to performance dash here, and you get different gauges, and then you can go over here to audio and have audio over there so that you know what radio station you're playing. Or you can do phone to see who's calling. You can go down here and do the nav and have the nav in the screen there showing you your driving along the route as you have prescribed. So over here is the heads-up display. We'll just turn that up so that we get some color in it up there, and just move it up and down so that you can see that the heads-up is working and all good. So nice leather wrapped steering wheel, heads-up display. Love this interior, gorgeous. Underneath here you've got line-in USB and power outlet to plug your phone in there if you'd like. And then under here is a power outlet, and under here are 2 cup holders right there. So awesome. Have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out there. Beautiful car. There it is from the front. Nice spoiler on the back, color keyed, and there's that NPP Performance exhaust just chugging away. That is awesome. You can see the tires, lots of rubber there. Wow, those are huge tires, eh? So there you have it, folks. That's a 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 3LT removable roof, navigation, red tint coat, unique brown suede leather interior. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.